everyone. Welcome to GoLogica. In today's video, we're diving into the complete roadmap for business analytics with R training, a powerful skill set that helps you analyze data, find insights, and make smarter business decisions. Let's explore the complete roadmap that takes you from a beginner to a job-ready professional. Roadmap. About course. Key components and concepts. R programming basics. Data importing and data wrangling. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. Predictive modeling and machine learning with R. Data visualization with R. Roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Training program about the course. Business analytics with R is designed to help you understand how to use data effectively to make smarter business decisions. Today, companies across all industries rely heavily on data, whether it's analyzing customer behavior, optimizing supply chain operations, forecasting sales, or minimizing financial risk. R is one of the most powerful open-source tools for statistical analysis, machine learning, and data visualization, making it a top choice for business analysts and data scientists. This course introduces you to the foundational concepts of business analytics, teaches you how to manipulate and analyze data using R, and helps you build predictive models that can solve real business problems. By the end of the course, you'll be equipped with the practical skills required to turn raw data into actionable insights. Key components and concepts. The field of business analytics is built on a few essential pillars. The first is descriptive analytics, which focuses on understanding historical data. For example, how many units were sold last month? What were your website's top performing pages? The second is diagnostic analytics, which helps identify why something happened. This may involve exploring correlations, detecting anomalies, or comparing trends. The third is predictive analytics, which uses machine learning and statistical models to forecast outcomes. You might predict future demand, customer churn, or revenue trends. Finally, there's prescriptive analytics, which suggests the best possible actions based on the insights derived. While this course will focus heavily on descriptive and predictive analytics, you'll also get an understanding of how all these stages connect to support better decision-making. These components come together to help businesses understand what is happening, why it's happening, what's likely to happen next, and what should be done in response. R plays a huge role in each stage through its strong libraries, fast computing capabilities, and advanced statistical power. R programming basics. Before diving into analytics techniques, it's important to understand the basics of R programming. R is a language built specifically for statistical computing, and it has a very supportive community with thousands of packages available for nearly every data analysis task. You'll start by learning simple concepts like installing R in RStudio, understanding variables, and using basic data types such as vectors, lists, factors, and data frames. These structures help you store and manipulate different forms of data efficiently. Next, you'll learn control structures such as loops, conditional statements, and functions. These will help you automate repeated tasks and write clean, reusable code. R also supports packages like dplyr, Reader, Tidier, ggplot2, and Caret, which simplify data wrangling, analysis, and visualization. Learning how to install and use these packages will form the foundation of all the hands-on analytics work you'll do throughout the course. Data importing and data wrangling. One of the biggest challenges in analytics is not building models. It's getting the data clean and ready. That's why a large part of the course is dedicated to data importing and data wrangling, often referred to as data cleaning. You'll learn how to import data from multiple file formats like CSV, Excel, JSON, and SQL databases. Once imported, the next step is to clean and prepare the data. This includes handling missing values, removing duplicates, correcting data types, and dealing with outliers. R's dplyr package makes this easy through its intuitive functions like filter, select, mutate, arrange, and summarize. Data wrangling also involves reshaping data using the Tidier package. You'll learn techniques like pivoting, merging datasets, and grouping data so that it's in the right format for analysis. Clean data ensures accurate results, and mastering these skills is essential for any analyst. Exploratory data analysis, EDA. exploratory data analysis, or EDA, is the stage where you begin to understand the story behind your data. EDA helps you identify patterns, spot trends, detect anomalies, and understand the relationships between variables. In this course, you'll learn how to use R to generate summary statistics, such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and correlation. These metrics provide insights into the distribution and behavior of your data. You'll also create visualizations like histograms, box plots, scatter plots, and heat maps using ggplot, one of R's most powerful libraries. These visuals are not only helpful for analysis, but also for communicating results to stakeholders. Good EDA helps you decide which models to apply, which variables matter, and what transformations are needed to improve accuracy. It is one of the most important stages in the analytics process, and R excels at it. Predictive modeling and machine learning with R. Once you understand your data, the next step is predictive modeling, where you use machine learning algorithms to forecast future outcomes. This course covers the most commonly used predictive models in business analytics, including linear regression for forecasting numerical values like sales or price, logistic regression for classification tasks like predicting churn or loan approval, decision trees for modeling business rules and identifying patterns, random forest, a powerful ensemble method used for improving accuracy, clustering algorithms like k-means for customer segmentation, time series models for forecasting trends over time, such as demand or revenue. You'll learn how to split data into training and testing sets, train your models, evaluate performance metrics like accuracy or RMSE, and optimize model parameters for better results. By the end of this section, you'll be comfortable using R to build and deploy predictive models that solve real-world business problems. Data visualization with R. Data visualization plays a key role in storytelling and decision-making. Even the most advanced model is useless if the insights are not communicated clearly. In this part of the course, you'll learn how to build impactful and interactive visualizations using ggplot2, Plotly, and R's built-in visualization tools. You'll create trend lines, bar and pie charts, correlation plots, heat maps, interactive dashboards using Shiny. These visualizations help business teams understand performance, monitor KPIs, and make informed decisions. Mastering visualization also strengthens your portfolio and presentation skills. Roles, responsibilities, and salaries. Business analytics with R opens the door to several high-demand roles, including business analyst, data analyst, marketing analyst, financial analyst, data scientist, entry level, reporting analyst, operations analyst. Your responsibilities may include collecting data, cleaning data sets, analyzing trends, building predictive models, preparing reports, and presenting insights to decision makers. In terms of salaries, analytics roles are among the highest paying in the tech world. In India, entry-level analysts earn between 4 LPA and 7 LPA. Mid-level professionals make 8 LPA to 15 LPA. And experienced analysts or data scientists can earn 20 LPA and above. Salaries are even higher in global markets like the US, where analysts earn anywhere from $70,000 to $110,000 per year. Training program. If you want to learn business analytics with ER in a structured and job-focused way, the GoLogica training program is a great option. The course is designed by industry experts and gives you hands-on learning with real-time case studies, business scenarios, and practical projects. You'll get instructor-led training, recorded sessions, assignments, quizzes, and access to tools and datasets used in real companies. The program also includes resume preparation, interview guidance, and support to crack analytics job roles. By completing GoLogica Business Analytics with R training, you'll be fully prepared to step into the industry with confidence.